Hello guys, what is my job for today? This is to fix this nice garden bird that I have for many years, but this whole leg broke out. It's made of a thin steel. So I think it's time to fix it. Okay, to start, I think this screws and this drill will do the thing. And I'm going to use my battery operated Ryobi. Okay, gents, this is one part, but let's see how it looks if it stands right up or straight up. Okay, so it's something, let me put it like this. It's something like this, but it's not finished yet. I need to put more support there. Okay. See, it needs more support there. Guys, my next step is I take this bracket and I will cut it off here and I wedge it in between the body here and the leg, because the leg can swing inside. There's a big hole here, so this will support it from not going inside, but it can still go up. And what I'm going to do then is secure that part, and then I will secure this bracket from the leg to that bracket, and that will hold the whole thing. The whole leg will be secured, and then just paint this brown, and then we can put it up in the garden. Okay, I've got this bracket and the stabilizer in place, so the leg can't go down, but it still can go up, and at least it is fixed to the body. So now it's only a matter of, I'm going to modify this bracket to sit there somewhere, but I will bend it correctly. So let's do that now. Guys, here comes the most delicate part of all. I've got a nut. I sit in the sun, so I hope you can see. There you can see. I've got a nut with press stick on a screwdriver. And then I've got my next bolt here through the bracket. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to, I hope you can see, I'm going to put this nut through a small hole there and then try and secure the bolt from the side. So I need to, there is the nut. This will now be luck if I can get it screw in there. Yes. Okay, this will sit like this. Okay, so I can secure that nut there, of bolt there. There's my press stick. And now I'm going to drill a hole there and tighten everything up, and then we can check the bird. Okay gents, our garden bird is fixed and nice and sturdy, so we can put it up somewhere quickly and see how it looks. Okay, and there it is, standing on its own feet. And it's fairly high, it's exactly my length. And there it stands with the formal. From the back side. And gentlemen, thank you very much for watching with me and taking the time to fix this bird so it can own its place somewhere in the garden. And I will see you on the next one, gentlemen. Bye.